Hi there, and thanks for clicking. Most IT leaders in financial services want to centralize disparate data sets from across the company and mine them for new insights. Some of the most popular use cases that centralized data enables include optimizing prospect conversion rates, improving client retention rates, increasing customer lifetime value, and developing new financial instrument products. But first, legacy and on-premises infrastructures need to be augmented or replaced with a centralized data platform in the cloud in order to make it happen. However, many IT teams struggle to get the alignment or approval they need to get started, or the support and collaboration they need to be successful. Stakeholders across the organization can be reluctant to share customer data, and siloed data stores compromise success and impede innovation. What's more, many IT teams are wrestling with complex data sources that derail governance. As a result, managing risk, preventing fraud, and improving customer experience in real time can be a real struggle. Sound familiar? Over the past 10+ years working with AWS, North Bay has developed data platform accelerators, which are a unique and proven set of processes and best practices that enable financial services organizations to operationalize data at scale. With North Bay Data Platform Accelerators, IT teams can 1. Gain approval to get the project green-lighted. 2. Showcase the value of centralized data to stakeholders. 3. Prove that you can create the needed change to be successful in the AWS cloud. 4. Be confident that your existing team can learn the skills to run the platform at scale or find a managed services company to outsource this function. Let me walk you through how our proprietary accelerators streamline data platform development and remove project risk. 1. Get to greenlight with jam sessions. This is a big deal, and we'll get into it more later in this video. To help customers get projects approved, many take advantage of our low-cost or no-cost immersive workshops where your team deep dives with North Bay's AWS experts to get hands-on experience. 2. Plan for data collaboration and democratization. Rely on North Bay's time-tested reference architectures to build a strong foundation for data management, governance, and data anonymization in a centralized environment, all with the future in mind. 3. Build use cases with platform accelerators. This is where North Bay's experience really shines. We leverage the powerful engines and frameworks that we've developed and refined over the past 10 years. Our accelerators include a data ingestion orchestration engine, a data ingestion and hygiene rules engine, and a data quality engine, all built to enable faster data onboarding, which dramatically shrink project timetables, but prepare for the future, all while reducing risk. 4. Increase agility and control costs with the proprietary operational checklist. This one is a big deal for customers concerned about how they will support their new data platform. North Bay's 150-point checklist is designed to make sure your organization is prepared to manage and optimize performance, security, and economics of your new data platform once in production. Not sure if you want to manage the production workload yourself? Ask North Bay about our managed services. Customers rave about the continuous value they receive and the money they save by outsourcing this important function. 5. Unleash innovation with centralized data insights. So much is being said about AI, generative AI, and ML these days. This 5th accelerator is where we add additional data sources at scale, uncover opportunities to help you delight customers with new features and products, and create huge innovation in how your data can work for you. If you are interested in what generative AI can do, you should speak with our AI experts at North Bay as soon as possible. So, ready to get started? Let's get your project green-lighted and position you to maximize the power of centralized data. Let's set up a time to talk about participating in a jam session and conducting a data platform assessment. And we'll see if you might qualify for AWS and North Bay funding for some or all of this $50,000 engagement. Email us today and let's set up 30 minutes to think through what you want to accomplish in your North Bay Jam session.